Okay, I chose sociocultural, social interaction, language development, communication, diversity. Language development is influenced by their society they live in. Children learn their language by communicating with the world around them. Children will develop an awareness on how to communicate in society. Vygotsky's theory is zone of proximal development, which is a child who can accomplish on their own or a child that needs an adult's assistance to accomplish. Language acquisition support system is where the environment supports the children's language development and conversations with others, social interactions. Sociocultural is cultural beliefs, intellectual adaptations, unique differences. The child's social interactions, language development, and cognitive development will also build confidence and communication skills. Oral language and written language is also sociocultural. In classroom setting, engagement, demonstration, expectations, response helps build the social interactions. It helps when you participate in the classroom, the child builds confidence and learns how to communicate with their teacher and peers. The written language is also a form of second language. Social act that involves a complex dialogic process, knowledge transformation, also built on that social interaction and sociocultural. Diversity, traditions, culture, and language development shape a child's language development, shapes their sociocultural and how they speak to others and social interactions with others. Thank you. And excuse my sick child in the background. Thank you.